Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's tutorial, we're making a Lacy Heart Table Topper. For a list of all the supplies, you can find a link to ThermOWeb's blog in the description below. So let's begin. Start by fusing ThermOWeb's HeatnBond Lite to the wrong side of the fabric you've chosen for this project. Next, trace your hearts onto the HeatnBond Lite. You will need 11 small hearts, 7 large, and 6 medium. Once all your hearts have been cut out, you will need to arrange them onto your Stitchnsew Fleece. Once all your hearts have been arranged, you will peel off the paper backing and press to adhere. Next, using a satin stitch, sew around each heart. When finished sewing, you will cut out the negative space between the hearts. Leave about 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch of the fleece around each heart. Once the negative spaces have been removed, trim around the entire piece, again with about 1/4 inch to a minimum of 1/8 inch Stitchnsew fleece left behind. The Stitchnsew fleece is a little soft on the edges. I am adding SpraynBond's fabric stiffener to help harden up the edges. With a paintbrush, simply paint around the edges of all of your hearts. When finished with the SpraynBond fabric stiffener, I like to give my piece a good press. I cover it with pressing paper to avoid snagging any of the hearts, as well as getting the fabric stiffener while it's still wet on my iron. This project came together fairly quickly. Imagine all the table toppers you can make simply by changing the shape. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, thank you.